Hello buddies, hope all's going well. This is your host Preetham and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. I have started a video series based on Microsoft Excel. You can check the playlist in my channel. Here we will learn about Microsoft Excel from basic level. And also check the description box after the video ends. There I will give you the link of the Excel data file which I am using in my video. So let's begin friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from me. So at first I am opening the Microsoft Excel software. Here it is, and for your reference I am going to run the OSK software, that means the on-screen keyboard, that will help you to notice what keys I am pressing in my keyboard. So here it is friends. I have created a file previously, so let's open that file. Here it is. Today we are going to learn how to sum the entire column here. If you want to sum an entire column without supplying an upper or lower bound, you can use the sum function with and the specific range syntax for the entire column. Here I am giving the example for you. So the formula will be here equals to sum, then bracket open, then specify the column name, that is here D. Simply write D colon D, then bracket close, then simply hit the enter key, and here it is. You'll get the result in the G6 cell. So let's see how this formula actually works. This Excel supports full column and full row references. Like here I have typed the formula, that is equals to sum D to D, that means D column. The whole column will be added in the simple, just like the example of the column. We can also add the row like this, any of the row. Just we have to simply type the formula like this, equals to sum, first bracket open, then we have to type the row number. Here we are going to add the row number 4, so we have to type like this, 4 is to 4. See here friends, the entire 4 number row has been selected, then close the bracket and simply hit the enter button. So here you can see 50 and 112 has been added and the result showed here. But friends, be careful, full column and row references are an easy way to reference data that may change in size, but you need to be sure that you aren't unintentionally including extra data. For example, here we have selected the D row here. So if I give here the date, like today date, it will add this also. It will include in the sum. So that's all for today. See you soon guys. Hopefully you will get a new video in every single day. Keep supporting us. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, comment your opinion and share with your friends. Keep learning friends and stay tuned.